friends, Kendra here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about teeth, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be talking about teeth, and I'm really excited about this video because I don't know if I've talked to you guys, but I'm going to be going through a series of processes to fix my teeth, to get them all nice and, you know, straight, not saying perfect, but nice and straight and white and clean. So the first thing that I did was I went and got Invisalign. I actually wear them now. I have to wear them for 1.5 years because I have an extreme overbite, and I have some bottom teeth that are quite crooked that I want to straighten out. You guys may not be able to tell, but yeah, you know how we are on ourselves. So I have to get a couple of crowns, so it's like a process, you guys. So during that, I wanted to try the teeth whitening system. I wanted to give Snow a try. So I have Snow here. This is a teeth whitening system, you guys. They claim that you get results immediately with no sensitivity. So that was like the highest on my list, the sensitivity. I have such sensitive teeth that, guys, seriously, I've had my teeth whitened at the dentist, and when I tell you the sensitivity is unbearable, I can't do it at the dentist. It is unbearable. I don't know, like a couple of days after, the following day, and then another day after, my teeth, I can't eat anything hot or cold, anything warm, anything. And my teeth are just like hurting. Let me know if you guys experience it. Have you ever gotten your teeth whitened at the dentist and gotten all that sensitivity? Well, this contains a desensitizer. So that was like the #1 reason why I wanted to try it, because oh my gosh, if I can whiten my teeth and not have to experience the sensitivity, winning, hello. So yeah, it contains a desensitizer, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. Also, anytime you make a purchase, some of the costs are going towards children in need. So Kendra love the kids, okay? Also, you guys, they offer free shipping on this, and you have a 5-year warranty. So you're covered, girl. Your product is covered. So this system also contains proprietary good for you products, so ingredients. So you can feel safe and secure knowing that what you're putting on your teeth and in your mouth is not going to kill you. So this is supposed to be an easy and safe way to do your teeth whitening at home. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Snow out. Cute little bag it came in, right? I'm going to go ahead and take it out, and I have not used this yet, you guys. I'm going to be doing this with you all and letting you know my thoughts. So it comes with the maximum strength serum, okay? This little go-to here. I love how small it is. You can just kind of pop it right in your purse, you know what I'm saying? They also gave us a lip protecting moisturizer, so definitely want to use that. And here is our system, you guys. This is the Snow Teeth Whitening System. Inside the box, you guys, you have a 3D teeth shade guide so that you can kind of determine where you're at, so you can track your progress. I don't know any other teeth whitening system that has come with one of these. Like, I've tried a couple and none of them came with this. So this is going to be very helpful. We're going to do this together. It comes with the how to use the whitening system pamphlet. It just shows you everything, okay? Everything that you need to know. Inside this box, you also have the mouthpiece, which is the activating light. And the crazy thing about this is that it connects to your phone. That is how this thing works, by connecting to your phone. You don't need any batteries or anything like that. It works off the power of your phone, which is so cool and so innovative and so 2018, 2019, like, get the program. So it actually comes with 3 different connectors, one for the iPhone, Android, and then a USB. Which is great. So you can actually plug it into a USB port for it to work, or you can plug it into your phone, which is great. So this is the activating light that it comes with. Oh my gosh, underneath it all and packaged so nicely is the desensitizer and then the actual whitenings. Let's take one of these out just so that I am clear on what this is. Yes, it's the actual whitening brush, and this is the actual desensitizer. So the first step, it says to brush your teeth. Then we're going to rinse our mouth out, apply the whitening serum, whichever I choose, the maximum strength or the regular ones that I have. To the front teeth, you want to avoid your gums. And then it says to put in the activating mouthpiece and relax for 10 to 16 minutes. After that, you are going to disconnect and rinse. Try not to swallow the serum. And then it says apply the desensitizing serum, which is optional, but I'm definitely going to try that. I'm definitely going to use that. And then it says to clean the mouth tray. So this is a simple 1 through 8 steps. It's really simple to use at home, which I'm really glad. It's not difficult at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have brushed my teeth. Now it says to rinse your mouth. So I'm just gonna take my water bottle. First of all, I'm gonna swallow this, okay? Guys, do you have a swell? Oh my gosh. It keeps your drink so cold. Okay, so I've rinsed my mouth out. So before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and use this guide to see where we're at. And I'm just gonna pull my mirror up. I hope you guys don't mind. And we're gonna go ahead and see where we're at. So it looks like right around here. So it looks like I might be around 3 or 4, in between 3 or 4, which is good. Definitely don't want to be at 15, okay? I'm going to be applying the lip protecting moisturizer because I definitely want to protect my lips during this process. So I'm just gonna, ooh, it's pepperminty. It smells good too. It feels good too. Lips are protected, so let's get started. All right, you guys, it says to apply the teeth whitening serum to the front of your teeth and to avoid your gums. So I'm going to wind this baby up to get the product out. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna apply this to the front of my teeth, you guys. Okay, so it says to connect and use the activating light. The activating light, I'm gonna use the iPhone. Oh, I'm gonna connect it. Okay, and I'm gonna place it in my mouth. So let's see. All right, you guys, once I have rinsed my mouth out, now it says to apply the desensitizing serum. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna give a little test and take a sip of my water. We're gonna find out if I have any sensitivity, you guys. Nothing so far. My teeth feels good, and for me, I see a difference. I feel like they did get a little bit whiter. All right, you guys, so that is it. I totally love this product. No sensitivity yet, and I will probably do this maybe once a week or something like that. What I really love about this system is that it's an easy at-home system to do. Only 8 steps, and they're really simple. Doesn't take very long to do. I am going to be going back in and trying the maximum strength. Maybe in a couple of days, just to see. I want to see in a couple of days how my teeth change, because I know sometimes, even though I can see a difference now, I know that it can get a little bit better as time goes on. So I'm definitely going to try this maximum strength one in a couple of days with the desensitizer, and I'm going to report back to you guys probably in the comment section of this video. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely check the description box for all information on the Snow Teeth Whitening system. Comment below if you have any questions about the products or any questions for me in general. And I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.